Moment of truth. Do we have a rev counter? Hey! There we go. Just ghetto the fuel level sender wires together. Is that going to work? 3, 2, 1. Ah! Probably put this away now, I reckon. Oh, it's all exciting. Things are going back together. So at this point, I was under the impression that the dashboard could go in. However, I then clicked the hazard button, and something rather strange happened. I've just discovered that if you press the hazard button, where's it gone? Listen. That shouldn't be happening. That's my washer jets.
What? What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
So I might leave it. Something's gone very wrong. That doesn't even work. What a coincidence. Can't believe the headlights stopped working at the same time as me changing the loom. There's no way that they couldn't be related. Not a chance.
Sweet.
Let's see if we actually have indicators now. Yeah, oh. Where is it? There it is. Nope. Ah, we got one. Bulb dead, or is the connector not in properly? Connector's not in properly. Now remember that the lights in the back of the speedo cluster were absolutely awful, so I'm going to rip them out and I'm going to replace them with LED switches that are wired to the same relay as the headlight. So when the headlights come on, this will come on. It is now the next day. I've just had to move all of the boost pipes about. You can kind of see that I've flattened this pipe here because the this wheel was actually digging into it. Now, I'm aware this is very close, however, it's solid. It's not going to, like, I'm moving the van rather than the pipes. So hopefully that'll be okay. Next thing to do is we're now going to bleed the brakes. As you may remember from the last video, the radiator decided to piss itself everywhere, which was just great. So I bought a new one. I haven't actually opened it to check if it will fit yet. Hopefully. So yeah, this one's a hell of a lot taller, which is a hell of a lot concerning. Are the holes the same width apart? Yeah, the holes seem to line up. This radiator doesn't fit this one. So I was told that my slam panel was then off one with aircon, which is why the rad was bigger. Yep, fits in the bottom, does not fit under the top. Happy days. Right, as that radiator is deciding not to fit, which is really annoying, I'm going to pop this one open. I'm going to work out which of these veins is leaking, and quite simply block it off. Opened up the radiator, sealed up the veins, and radiator is now back in. You can kind of see it around about there somewhere. Now I'm going to add the coolant, and we're going to start it, see where the coolant goes, and see just how it pisses out. Not if, how, and where from. Because it couldn't go right, could it? No. Coming off the intercooler, not the radiator. I think we're okay. Okay, big moment incoming. So Mac has just popped round and he's going to probably do a little film while I take it out for the initial drive. It's got some brakes, probably enough, but we're literally going to go up and down the road just to see if it moves, make sure it actually works. So gentlemen, I present to you Macaulay Baker. This might go wrong.
This will go wrong.
It's sort of bolted in. It's bolted in enough.
Yeah, no, you don't need a seat. It's fine.
No.
Do we have brakes? Do we have brakes? I love you.
Yeah, the brakes are a bit a lot soft.
Do you have anything to say before you go?
Thank you all.
Shalom.
It's been emotional. Thank you for the 600 subscribers. Let's get to 1,000 so I can get paid for this shit.
Don't mind the bin. No way.
It has no brakes. I got to the bottom of the road and crap my pants. It has no boost. There is it's like as it was as an SDI. So for some reason it's not boosting, and I have no idea why. It must have wastegate pressure. The only thing I can think is that the N75 isn't turning on, which is a bit annoying, but it does wheel spins.
Do a burnout!
But I did that while I was driving.
You
Yeah.
I can't say that on YouTube, can I?
No, we can't say on camera. Can we say other words that aren't though? I've just finished work and it's finally Friday. I mean, not Friday. Well, might be Friday. If you're gonna get laid today, it's Friday. Tomorrow is my birthday, so if you're watching this, write happy birthday in the comments, because then I'll feel like someone cares about me. I'm on my way to go and see Sam because my exhaust has a back box and is the wrong size. So he's going to adapt it so that it will fit. And now I can't use a grinder or a welder because I'd probably cut my fucking hand off. So, are you ready? Sam! Angry? Sing me the song for tomorrow.
Happy birthday to you, you Double it Winbread. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks. Sam got me a present. What size is it?
Large, extra large.
Large.
I know where it's going.
Where's it going?
In the bin!
It's so correct. Everything of my fan has gone in the bin.
I don't even want one.
This bit's not going in the bin. We're fixing this.
Oh yeah.
Mean mean.
Great pie.
I don't know about you, but I'm exhausted.
That's just the heat shield.
Yeah.
That's literally it.
So it goes.
Comes out here. 3D.
Ah. Well, there you go.
Great game.
It's got a pop and bang map on it. You having a poo? And just like that, I'm now 30 and hungover again. I think I've just found out though what the thing was that means I have no boost or brakes. So this goes on your brake line. This is a one-way valve, and I didn't realise until about 3 seconds ago that it says this on it. Yeah, that definitely says motor, and with arrows telling me which way around this thing should go. I had it the wrong way around. I'm not sure how, because it came straight off the other car, and then went straight on this one, but you know, it's just one of those fun things. So we might have brakes in a minute, and maybe a turbo. That'd be a great birthday present. Oh, that feels better. Oh, and it pumps up hard. Right, we now got brakes. Seems to rev a lot faster. So I'm going to try the brakes, and if they don't work, I'm going to drive straight into this camera. Oh, tyres flat. Bollocks. Tyres flat. Now it's a Sunday, meaning that nowhere that sells tyre compressors is open, apart from Tesco's petrol stations. So, although I could just wait till the morning to go pump up this tyre, I might have boost and brakes, which I've only been waiting for like 3 weeks. So, here's some heavy metal to go with it. Why not? Yeah, pretty good, I think.
Oil?
No, tyre pump.
Oh, tyre wells?
No, tyre pump.
Oh, tyre pump.
Like one of the mini compressor things.
No, mini compressors, mate.
Ah. Yeah, the van's at home. Yeah, that'll do. Would it? That'd be alright. We're going to find out now if it's got brakes. Maybe turbo? I don't know if I'll be able to. I'm literally going to be able to pull forward, and if it doesn't have brakes, I'm going to hit the bin and drive into the garage. The time has come. Is this thing, with a few more nuts and bolts, drivable? Main thing is, do we have brakes? I feel we'll have some kind of boost. Don't know how much. Clutch still isn't right, but goes into gear and stays in gear, so that's good enough for me. Don't hit my own car. Do I claim on my own insurance if I hit my own car? How does that work? Right, into first. Forward we go. Big knock from the drive shaft. Be alright. Okay. You might fall off the dash. Okay, so we have something, not a lot, but we've got something. Uh-oh, that ain't good. Something a bit melty. I think it might have just been something like, if maybe I'd spilt some brake fluid on something and maybe that was just cooking off on the exhaust manifold. That's more than likely true because I poured the shit all over the engine. Well, the brakes, we learned the temperature sensor works, which is awesome. I'm going to call this one here because I'm going to go get some din-dins. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, rate, I don't know, OnlyFans, squeeze a titty, whatever. I'll catch you next time.